guys, it's been a minute. I don't know if you can hear me. Oh my god, we forgot to bring the mics. That's okay. It's been a minute, but I'm back and I have a surprise. We're gonna be taking you guys on vacation with us, and you'll see the destination when we get there. So come along with us. So I'm not going to have you wait until we get there because it is a long flight. We are actually going to Dubai. Hi, unbox this package with me.
Socks, earplugs, sleeping mask, a toothbrush, toothpaste, and
Yeah, this is a 14-hour flight, guys. My eyelash is hurting me. Can you see what's happening? Okay, now buckle up and get ready to take off. So, we finally took off. I hope you guys can hear me. Right now it says there's 13 hours and 21 minutes left on the flight. That's a long time. It's currently 9:34 p.m. I will check back in with you guys later. Okay, they just gave us the menu for today, and all their food is halal, which is awesome. I'll show you guys the food once it comes. I'm looking forward to eating chocolate mousse. It was a brownie encased in chocolate mousse. Ooh. And I need something to drink. I'm not thirsty. Yeah. Also, they have a ton of movies on here. They have a lot of like new movies. They even had Lilo and Stitch. They have Disney Plus on here. They have all the Harry Potter movies. And they gave us these headphones, over-the-ear headphones. And they give it. The flight is pretty empty. There's a lot of empty seats. The row in front of us is completely empty. So if we wanted to, we could lay down in another row and just sprawl out. A lot of space. So for dinner, we got the chicken and rice, and it came with like a lot of sides. It came with like a little fruit salad, pretzels. I think those are pretzels, bread, a granola bar. They gave us silverware instead of the regular plastic. They had the lights turned off, and they actually had starlights in the ceiling, which was a nice touch, and it made it really comfortable and easy to sleep. The bathroom was honestly really clean. Normally when I go into a bathroom in an airplane, it's not clean. It's disgusting, and I feel gross being in there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all future videos. In addition to breakfast and dinner, we also got a little snack. Okay, well, right now in Orlando, it's 10:23. In Dubai, it's 6:23. And we're going to be landing in probably like, so it's 31 minutes. Can't wait to get off this plane. But to be honest, the flight wasn't that bad. We were in and out of sleep the majority of it. It wasn't too bad. I was dreading it, but it's been good. Welcome to my room. Take our shoes off at the door, and here's the bathroom. Has a bidet to wash your backside. Toilet has a phone in case you can't get up after you use the bathroom. Has a shower, big full shower. This nice bathtub here. Lemon and pine shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. This is your whatever. Oh, yeah, the hair dryer is there. Has a shoehorn, shoe shine, and sewing kit. Laundry bag. You can hang your stuff inside here. We don't got hangers. Oh, here's the hangers. Ooh, we got slippers. Let's put our slippers on. And 2 robes. Tea. Different tea, coffee, chocolate, TV, nice lamp, chair, the bed, the desk. crazy. And this is our view. You can see the pool down there.
Is that building called?
What?
What's the building called?
I don't know. So we ordered food from Mandarin Oak. We got chili chicken and gravy, veggie fried rice, and like a pepper beef because we're mad hungry. Hopefully it tastes good.